Hello everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today I'm going to read you a story, and this story is called Kipper's Toybox. Someone or something had been nibbling a hole in Kipper's toy box. "I hope my toys are safe," said Kipper. He emptied them out and counted them. 1, you can join in if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's wrong, he said. There should only be 6. Kipper counted his toys again. This time he lined them up to make it easier. Big Owl 1, Hippopotamus 2, Suckthing 3, Slipper 4, Rabbit 5, Mr. Snake 6. That's better, he said. Kipper put his toys back in the toy box. Then he counted them one more time, just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 noses. That's too many noses, said Kipper. Kipper grabbed Big Owl and threw him out of the toy box. 1, he said crossly. Out went Hippopotamus. 2. Out went Rabbit. 3. Out went Mr. Snake. 4. Out went Snipper. 5. But where was 6? Where was Suckthing? Wonder if you've spotted it. Kipper was upset. Next to Rabbit, Suckthing was his favourite. Now he was gone. "I won't lose any more of you," said Kipper. He picked up the rest of his toys and put them in his basket. Then he climbed in and kept watch until bedtime. That night, Kipper was woken by a strange noise. It was coming from the corner of the room. Kipper turned on the light. There, wriggling across the floor, was Suckthing. It must have been Suckthing who had been eating his toy box. Kipper was not sure what to do. None of his toys had ever come to life before. He jumped back into his basket and he hid behind Big Owl. Suckthing wriggled slowly round in a circle and bumped into the basket. Then he began to wriggle all the way back. I'll go from the top of here. Suckthing wriggled slowly around in a circle and bumped into the basket. Then he began to wriggle back the way he had come. He did not seem to know where he was going. Kipper followed. Quickly, Kipper grabbed Suckthing by the nose. Suckthing squeaked and wriggled harder. Then a little tail appeared. A little pink tail. And a little voice said, "Don't hurt him!" "So it was you! You have been making a hole in my toy box," said Kipper. It was true. The mice had been nibbling pieces of Kipper's toy box to make their nest. "You must promise not to nibble it again," said Kipper. "We promise," said the mice. In return, Kipper let the mice share his basket. It was much cosier than a nest made of cardboard, and the 2 mice never nibbled Kipper's toy box again. But their babies did. They nibbled everything. I hope you've enjoyed Kipper's toy box, and let's do a little bit more maths learning. Come on. For the next part of today's maths lesson, you're going to need a paper and pen or whiteboard or whatever you've got at home that you can write with. Okay, now, if we go back to our Kipper book, he got in a right on model with his toys, didn't he? Can you remember how many toys he was supposed to have? Yeah, he was supposed to have 6 toys. But when he counted them, he counted out 7. That's wrong, he says. Do you know why he's counted out 7? Can you see in the picture here? Yeah, the little mouse is there as well. So there's 7 things here that Kipper counted. We're going to have a little practice of writing 7. So let's give our hands a shake, get them warmed up, ready for writing. Open, shut them, open, shut them, open, shut them. Shake it out, drip, 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 drip. Right, okay, so when we do our number 7, we go across the sky and down from heaven. So you can do it in the air first with our little fingers. Across the sky and down from heaven. And then when you're ready, have a go with your pen. Across the sky and down from heaven. And when we do a 7, we start over here. So this is when we're reading. We start over on this side, don't we, on the left-hand side, and we go along as though we were reading in a book. So we start here, we go along, we stop, and then we go down, 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 down. So it's across the sky and down from heaven. So keep practicing your 7s if you need to. We're going to have another look at our Kipper book for now. So there should have been 6 toys, but he counted out 7. So I'm going to use my number line here. So you can help me get this in the right order. So I've got number, thank you, number 1, number 2, well done, number, oopsie-daisy, that's it, 3, number 4, oh, you're superstars at this, number 5, number 6, and he counted 7 toys, didn't he? So how many more is that? He should have 6, but he counted out 7. So how many more toys did he count? That's it. He counted 1 more. Well done, everyone. Right, if we have a look at what Kipper did next. He lined them up, didn't he? That's a really good way of counting out objects so we don't count them twice or we don't miss any out. So he counted, should we have a go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the right amount, isn't it? 6 toys. That's better, he said. Let's turn over. So he's going to count them again. 1 more time, just to make sure. It's really easy to make mistakes in maths, isn't it? So double checking our maths is a really, really good idea. Right. He's counting the noses. Shall we help him count the noses? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 noses. That's too many noses. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Right, let's have a look at the number line. He should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toys, but he's counted out more, hasn't he? He's counted out 8. So how many more is that? He should have 6, but he's counted out 8. Yeah, that's right. He's got 2 more. He's got 2 extras there. Oh dear, Kipper. Right, we're going to have a little practice of writing number 8. That can be a bit tricky, that one, can't it? Let's have a little practice in the air first of all. And we're going to do make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, you have an 8. So we start at the top, and just like we're doing a S sound, letter S, we curve around like the snake, and then we go all the way back up again, and we stop at the top. Okay, let's have a little practice on the paper. So we make an S and do not wait. When it's joined up, we have an 8. That one is super tricky. So if you do need to, keep practicing that one this week as well. Okay. So here Kipper's counted 8 noses. Let's turn over. Now what happens? He counts out Big Owl, 1, Hippopotamus, 2, out went Rabbit, 3, out went Mr. Snake, 4, out went Slipper, 5. But where was 6? Where was Sock Thing? So he's only got 5 toys there. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Can you show me 5 on your fingers? Well done, everyone. 5. Right, we're going to have a little practice writing number 5. Let's go. Okay, let's practice in the air first of all. We go down and round, then a flag on high. That's the way to make a 5. This is really tricky, number 5, isn't it? So we start here and we go down, and then we go around, and we're going in this direction. And then we put our flag on top, and that goes that way as well. So we go down and around, then a flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Okay, everyone. But poor old Kipper, he was supposed to have 6, wasn't he? So let's have a quick look at our number line. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toys here. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. So, how many has he got? How many are missing? That's it. He's missing 1, isn't he? If he's got 5 toys here, but he should have 6 toys, he's missing 1 toy, and that's Sock Thing. What's happened? Kipper's not seen, has he? It's not Sock Thing's escaped. Kipper gets quite upset, doesn't he? Wants to make sure all of his toys are safe. And then in the night time, Sock Thing comes to life. What does he find out? There's something in Sock Thing, isn't there? Oh, yes. It's a mouse. And there's another one. So, in the end, Kipper has 6 toys and 2. Oh, sorry, 6 toys. There we go, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mrs. Ward needs to do her double checking too. There's 2 mice here, isn't there? So he had 6 toys. I'm going to do this as a number sentence. Okay. He's got 6 toys. And he says that the 2 mice can come and live in his toy box too. So he adds 2 to his basket. So I'm going to add 2. 1, 2. So I've got my 6 and I'm adding 1, 2. So that is the same as, that is equal to, yeah, that's it, 8. So I'm going to make my S and do not wait. When it's joined up, we have an 8. Well, I hope you've enjoyed Kipper's toy box today. He did get into a bit of a muddle with his toys, didn't he? Bless him. So what you're going to do now is practice some of your numbers. We've had a look at a few today, but if there's any others that you find a little bit tricky, you can practice those as well. And then pick some numbers and you're going to write them out on pieces of paper and turn them over. Jumble them all up so you don't know where each number is, and then you need to gather some of your toys into a pile, and then you're going to turn over a number card. You have to read the number, and then you're going to have to count out some toys so you match the toys you've counted out with the number card that you've written. So have fun with your maths today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.